Hello, my name is Alex Edge, Supply Chain Capability Manager at IGD, and welcome to Supply Chain Collaboration, Tools for Success. Effective supply chain collaboration can realise multiple benefits to your business. In a recent IGD study, 82% of respondents identified a service level improvement, 57% identified improved on-shelf availability, and over half of people surveyed also achieved cost savings through deeper collaboration. And with the role of collaboration in the industry changing, this blended workshop will help equip you with the tools to allow you to collaborate more effectively, both within your business and externally with your key customers. New for 2018, this workshop is based around 4 key areas of successful supply chain collaboration. From selecting and segmenting your key customers, managing promotions and events, supply chain joint business planning, and supply and commercial meetings. This one-day workshop will be highly interactive. We'll be working on real-life business cases, allowing you to safely share your experiences with your industry peers. This program will include additional learning resources made available through our online learning platform, allowing you to continue your learning outside of the one-day workshop. So let's introduce the pre-work. Please log in to the online learning portal using the details provided to you. Access the Learning Resources section and download your pre-work template. If you haven't received your details, please contact Lucy Bates at IGD, who will be able to help you. To complete the pre-work, start by thinking about how you currently collaborate in your business. Then in each of the relevant headed sections, capture examples of where you would like to improve collaboration in your current job role. For example, in the structure section, you may want to improve collaboration through dedicating particular resource to a major customer. Or in the data section perhaps, you may want to secure better quality sales information from a customer in order to improve forecast accuracy. And don't forget to bring the populated pre-work template to the workshop with you, as we'll be working through it throughout the day. If you have any questions, please use the online learning platform to submit a query or email Lucy Bates.